In the last video, I showed you how to add a point to the map using Survey123. And in this video, I just want to show you how to share this map and a few other details about sharing. This particular map uses WebAppBuilder, and there's a widget called the Share widget. A widget's just a tool that does a specific function. And if I was to copy the link here and paste it into a browser or tweet it out, by default, you'll see it adds the extent of my map. And what we mean by extent here is just a fancy way of saying, like, what area will the map open up to? The default area for the map is right now set to the Western US, but the area here, it's actually the corners of the map, are set using that Share widget. That's the default setting, and that'll work pretty well if the thing you're looking at is, or the area you're looking at is what you want to share. Now, if we were to share this, but I wanted to maybe turn off some layers. Let's say for this particular map, I wasn't interested in the California power outages. I just wanted to share a map of this fire location and maybe some local traffic. Now I can go to the Share widget, go down to Link Options, and I have some additional capabilities here. This time I'm going to look at Remember Layers Visibility. And you might have noticed down here in the corner the URL, the web address, changed. It's quite complex, and it's just saying what layers will be turned on for this map. That means you can sort of make your own map using this URL tool. And you can see the URL changed here. Now when I copy and paste it into a browser, the end user, your audience, should see an almost identical map to what you were just looking at. So this is just a way to focus the map when you share it rather than just using the default URL and it's using a short URL. I encourage you to explore the other options in this particular app, including be able to embed in a website. And there's some other tips and tricks in here you can look into with regards to sharing, including setting the display language of the application. All right, that's all I have for now, and good luck.